In this video, we are having a look at the kitchen car, rather restaurant buffet, that is advertised on Hornby's website in their New Year's sale. Yeah, they say it's reduced from $42.49 to $23.49. This is the unboxing. It says on the end, it says British Rail Southern Region catering coach, which is different to what it says on the website, but on the coach itself it says kitchen car. Modern Hornby packaging. There we have it. We'll just put this on the turntable, have a look at it. It has metal wheels. And the usual Hornby couplings. Right. Though this is a fairly run-of-the-mill kind of thing, I think you'd be better off buying this item from Hornby as a new item than you would be buying a kitchen car second-hand on eBay. Compared to the older Hornby kitchen cars, this car has noticeably more detail. It even has the word kitchen car painted on the side. This is the reverse side of the kitchen. The windows are blacked out because that's where the kitchen is. There's the old British Rail crest on there. Here we set up a Southern Region train with our kitchen car as the centre carriage. Here you'll note we have got the brake coach. It was Southern Railway practice to have the brake coach behind the locomotive. This is not the practice in other areas of British Rail. The practice in other areas of British Rail is always to put the brake coach at the rear of the train. But if you're modelling the Southern, put the brake coach near the front of the train, because that's Southern practice. Here's our restaurant car. The permanent weighman has fallen over. He's had too much beer last Saturday night, so he's passed out. This set of coaches can be used for the steam era as well as the diesel era. The permanent weighman has now sobered up and he's feeling much better.